Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make cardamom tea made with Lato milk. Its pleasant taste and aroma makes it a perfect beverage. Let's get started. Now to make the tea, I need 1.5 cups of water. I've already put my water in the pot to start boiling. I'll also need 1 teaspoon of tea leaves, whole cardamoms, and Lato milk. As the water is starting to boil, I'll add 1 teaspoon of the tea leaves. We'll let it start coming to a boil. Now for 2 cups of tea, you need about 4 pieces of the cardamom. Now it's been about 2 minutes. The water is simmering. I'll add the milk. So again, it's 1 cup. So the amount of water seems a little bit more because we also, at the end of the day, we want 2 cups. But that half a cup will help during the evaporation of the water. So you bring it to a boil and let it to simmer for about 1 minute, and then you'll serve your tea. So our cardamom tea is ready, and today I'm going to serve it with vanilla cake. You can serve it with whatever accompaniment you have, including bread. But until next time, see you.